Sa video natin ngayon mga maestro ay alamin naman natin itong performance requirements for internal applicants para po rin po ito sa mga DepEd teachers. Based pa rin po ito sa DepEd Order number 20 Series 2024 na ibinaba po kahapon, no, December 20, 2024. Ayan. So alamin po natin ano po ba yung mga performance requirements for internal applicants. Ayan. Ito po 'yan, no. Makita po 'yan sa number 25 po, no, ng DepEd Order number 20 Series of 2024, yung performance requirements. Ayan, nakalagay dyan. The initial evaluation shall likewise include the determination of the applicant's performance. Ayan. Una po, yung internal applicants. Ayan, a rating of at least very satisfactory or BS in the last rating period covering 1 year complete performance cycle in the current position shall be required. In addition, internal applicants shall be required to satisfy the set performance requirements of the position applied for based on at the most 3 rating periods reckoned from the immediately preceding performance cycle completed. Ayan, so ibig sabihin, kailangan po ng tatlong performance rating, ano po mga kamaestro, para ikaw po ay mag-qualify, ano po, as internal applicants. Ayan. So ito po yung position applied for. So for teacher 2, ito po yung sa pangalawang column, yan po yung classroom observable indicators or COI, and then dito naman po sa ikatlong column ay non-classroom observable indicators or yun tinatawag natin ngayon na NCOI. Ayan po. So for teacher 2, at least 6 proficient COI or classroom observable indicators at very satisfactory. Ayan. For non-classroom observable indicators, at least 4 proficient at very satisfactory rating. Ayan. Next naman po, kung ikaw naman po ay mag-a-apply as TIP3 or Teacher 3, ayan, at least 12 proficient COIs and at very satisfactory rating. And at least 8 proficient NCOI or non-classroom observable indicators at very satisfactory rating. Ayan, kung ikaw naman po ay Teacher 4 applicant, ayan, 21. Ayan, so 21 proficient COIs at very satisfactory rating and 16 proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory rating. Ayan. Next po, kung ikaw ay applicant bilang Teacher 5, so at least 6 proficient COIs at outstanding. So kailangan po ang iyong rating dito ay O. Ano po mga kamaestro? So dun sa Teacher 2 hanggang Teacher 4, both classroom observable indicators and non-classroom observable indicators, pwede po kahit ano lang, kahit BS or very satisfactory. Ano mga kamaestro. Pero pagdating ng Teacher 5, kung mapapansin po ninyo, kailangan outstanding na po. Ano po? At least 6 proficient COIs, outstanding po yung rating. Now, pagdating naman po sa non-classroom observable, at least 4 proficient naman and outstanding pa rin dapat yung rating. For Teacher 6 naman, at least 12 proficient COIs at outstanding, and sa non-classroom observable naman po, at least 4 proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory and 4 proficient NCOIs at outstanding. So dalawa po ang kailangan na po. So very satisfactory na 4 na proficient and then 4 na proficient naman outstanding. Alright? Next, for Teacher 7, at least 18 proficient classroom observable indicators, outstanding din po ang rating, and then at least 6 proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory and 6 proficient again for NCOIs at outstanding rating naman po. Next, for Master Teacher 1, so 21 proficient COIs at outstanding rating, and then 8 proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory and 8 proficient NCOIs at outstanding. Next naman po, for Master Teacher 2, at least 10 highly proficient. Ayan, so for Master Teacher 2, magiging highly proficient na po siya. At least 10 highly proficient COIs, outstanding po yung rating. And then at least 5 highly proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory and 5 highly proficient NCOIs at outstanding rating. Next po, for Master Teacher 3, 21 highly proficient COIs, outstanding po yung rating. And then 8 highly proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory and 8 highly proficient NCOIs at outstanding rating. Alright? Then for Master Teacher 4, at least 10 distinguished. Ayan. So for Master Teacher 4, 10 distinguished COIs at outstanding rating, and then at least 5 distinguished NCOIs at very satisfactory, and 5 distinguished NCOIs at outstanding rating. And for Master Teacher 5, ito na po yung pinaka-last mga kamaestro. For Master Teacher 5, 21 distinguished COIs at outstanding rating, and 8 distinguished NCOIs at very satisfactory, and another 8 distinguished NCOIs at outstanding rating. Alright, so far po, yan po yung performance requirements for internal applicants, ayan, for Teacher 2 hanggang Master Teacher 5. Alright, so dito ko natatapusin itong ating video ngayon mga kamaestro. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button yan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad nito, yung mga updates pa rin about sa DepEd promotion and other benefits ng mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka, always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!